What if I told you that you could reset some of your car's most frustrating issues without going to a mechanic, without paying a single dollar, and in under 5 minutes? Sounds like a gimmick, right? But here's the shocking truth. Your car is packed with secret reset features that dealerships and repair shops rarely talk about. Why? Because if you knew them, you'd solve problems they usually charge you $50, $100, even $200 to fix. Today, I'm revealing 10 hidden car reset hacks mechanics never show you, and number 7 might save you from a roadside breakdown. Stick around to the end, because you'll walk away with insider-level knowledge you can use immediately. And trust me, you'll want to try at least one of these today. Hack 1. Resetting your check engine light without tools. You've probably seen it, the dreaded orange check engine light. For many, that means an expensive trip to the mechanic just to scan and reset the code. Here's the secret. In many cases, you can reset it yourself. For most vehicles, disconnect the negative battery cable using a wrench. Wait 15 to 20 minutes to fully discharge the ECU's stored power. Reconnect the battery, start your engine, and the light is gone. This won't fix major issues, but for temporary faults, like a loose gas cap or bad sensor reading, it clears the light and resets your car's computer. Mechanics often charge $50 or more for this simple process. Pro tip: always make sure you've fixed the root cause, like tightening the gas cap, before resetting. Hack 2. Resetting your automatic window. Ever replace a battery or disconnect power, and suddenly your automatic windows stop working? Here's the hidden hack. Roll the window all the way down and hold the switch for 5 seconds. Then roll it all the way up and hold again for 5 seconds. This recalibrates the window's memory. Dealerships often charge for this diagnostic adjustment, but it's something you can do in seconds. Hack 3. Resetting the tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. That TPMS light can be frustrating, especially after you've already aired up your tires. Many cars have a hidden reset button under the steering wheel or inside the glove box. Steps: turn the ignition to on, but don't start the engine. Hold the TPMS reset button until the light blinks 3 times. Start the car and drive at 50 miles per hour for about 10 minutes. Voila! The light resets. Shops often charge $25 to $50 for sensor resets that you can do for free. Hack 4. Resetting your radio after battery disconnect. Lost all your radio presets after changing a battery? Some modern radios go into anti-theft mode, locking you out entirely. Here's the secret. Many cars allow you to reset it using a special key sequence, or by holding down the power and eject buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. If that fails, check your car's manual for a unique radio code. It's often stored in the glove box or under the spare tire cover. You'll look like a pro when your friends think the stereo is dead, and you bring it back to life in minutes. Hack 5. Resetting your car's idle after battery replacement. After a battery replacement, some cars idle roughly, or even stall. Mechanics might tell you it needs an expensive relearn procedure, but you can often do it yourself. Turn off all accessories, AC, lights, radio. Start the engine and let it idle for 5 to 10 minutes. Take a short drive with stop-and-go traffic and light acceleration. The car's ECU relearns fuel trims and idle control. Smooth idle. Restored. Why mechanics don't show you these? There's nothing malicious here, it's just business. Mechanics charge for time, and resetting things quickly doesn't pay the bills. But if you know these hacks, you save time, money, and avoid unnecessary trips to the shop. And we're just halfway through. The next 5 hacks include a secret sequence that can bring dead electronics back to life, a way to reset your car's transmission for smoother shifts, and even a hack to reset safety systems without touching a single tool. Hack 6. Resetting your car's transmission for smoother shifts. If your car feels sluggish or shifts too aggressively, you might think it's a mechanical issue. But many automatic transmissions use adaptive learning, meaning they adjust to your driving style over time. The good news? You can reset that learning and restore factory smoothness. For most cars, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Press the accelerator pedal to the floor and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Turn the ignition off while still holding the pedal. Release the pedal, wait a few seconds, then start the engine. This clears the transmission's adaptive memory, allowing it to relearn shifts as if the car were brand new. Drivers often report smoother acceleration and better response immediately after. Hack 7. Resetting stubborn dashboard warning lights. Sometimes after repairs or sensor replacements, warning lights like ABS or traction control stay on, even if the issue is fixed. Here's a quick trick. Many cars have a hidden diagnostic menu accessible by holding down the odometer button while turning the ignition to on. After a few seconds, the dashboard enters a test mode, and cycling through can clear residual codes. If that doesn't work, disconnecting the battery, as in hack number 1, often resets stubborn modules. This simple step can save you an unnecessary diagnostic visit. Hack 8. Resetting key fob memory. Ever replace a key fob battery only to find it no longer communicates with your car? Dealerships often charge to reprogram the fob, but most cars allow you to do it yourself. Sit in the driver's seat and close all doors. Insert the key, turn it to on, then back to off. Do this 4 to 5 times quickly. On the last turn to ON, press any button on the fob. Your car will often beep or flash lights to confirm pairing. Now your fob is synced. No dealership visit required. Hack 9. Resetting your car's HVAC system. If your air conditioning suddenly stops blowing cold or your airflow feels stuck on one vent, it might just need an HVAC reset. Modern cars use electronic blend doors, and they can lose calibration after a battery disconnect. For many models, turn the ignition to on. Press and hold the AC and recirculation buttons together for 5 to 10 seconds. Release when the HVAC lights flash. This recalibrates the system and often restores airflow direction and temperature control without replacing any parts. Hack 10. Resetting advanced safety features. Like lane assist. Modern cars are packed with safety tech. Lane assist, adaptive cruise control, collision warning. Sometimes these systems throw false warnings after minor incidents or when sensors are cleaned. A full dealer reset can cost $100 or more. The hidden hack. Most cars let you manually reset driver assist systems via a long press of the lane assist or collision warning button while the ignition is on. You'll hear a chime or see a dashboard confirmation when reset is complete. Why these hacks matter. Think about how much money and time these resets save. Check engine light scan and reset. $50 plus saved. Transmission adaptive reset. Improved fuel efficiency and longer transmission life. HVAC reset. Avoiding a $200 plus diagnosis for a blend door that wasn't broken. Key fob reprogram, $75 to $150 saved instantly. These are designed to be user accessible in many cars, but most people simply don't know they exist. Mechanics aren't hiding them to be malicious. They focus on fixing mechanical problems, not teaching quick DIY hacks. But now you know, the challenge for you. Here's what I want you to do this week. Pick one hack from this list and try it on your car, where applicable. Comment below which hack you tried and what happened. Did it work? Did it surprise you? Your story might help thousands of other drivers save money and stress. Final thoughts. Cars today are essentially rolling computers, full of sensors and modules that can be reset quickly and easily if you know how. By mastering these 10 hidden reset hacks, you're taking control of your car's systems, reducing unnecessary trips to the shop, and saving serious money over time. And here's the best part. These tricks cost nothing but a few minutes of your time. So why not start today?